guys, welcome back. Just getting back from my trip to Florida. I met up with a follower and a friend now, Andrew, 9th Gen SI dude, 9th Gen dude on Instagram. I'll try to put a link in the description if you want to go ahead and follow him. I did my first review, so my first review was pretty exciting. I did not expect it to go so well. His girlfriend came along, Whitney. If you're watching, thank you. You were a great help during this whole shoot. So today what I got for you is another very quick DIY. I'll talk about it right now before I get into it. So the Supercharger is putting out too much boost. I talked about it in one of my earlier videos. We weren't able to really take advantage of the ignition and timing, so we had to basically dial the car back, and we probably lost a whole lot of power even though the car was making a ton of boost. So for me, it just, more boost didn't translate to more power. I'm hoping to drop the boost near the 16-17 mark. For those of you who don't know how to control boost in a supercharger, basically the pulley size on the supercharger controls the boost. The smaller the pulley, the faster it spins, the more boost it makes. Another way to increase the boost is to change your crank pulley. So on that side, it's a little bit different. The bigger the crank pulley, the more boost it makes. Think about it as like having more leverage, for example. I think this is something you'll probably figure out a little bit better by just looking at the pulley swap video. I'm going to go ahead and change that now, and want you guys stay tuned. If you're one of my followers, thank you for coming back. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without further wait, I'm going to get right into this install. Okay, so right here, there's a pulley we're going to change. And to do that, we're going to have to make a couple adjustments. I need to loosen this bolt here so that this pulley can move up and down. This Mark Racing tensioner here is adjustable, so you can use almost any pulley. I'm sorry, and not need to change your belt size. Be back in a second. So there's two things I need to change. I need to loosen this nut here, and yeah, you also need to loosen the pulley bolts. There's just these 5mm Allen bolts. Yeah. Can we get in there? Can we get in there? Yep. Just have to move my AC line out of the way a little bit. Oh, here's what I'm looking for. So now I'm just going to drop the tension. That is all the way back. Remove the belt. Now that this is loose, we just got to loosen this guy. You see how it's dropping? As we loosen it, it drops. I'm just going to leave it there for now because I think that's all we'll need, but I can change it later. Now it's time to... Now, I've done a lot of these pulley changes. Also, Nathan helped me a few times when we went to the track. If you want to do this, it's better if you do it with the car cold, supercharger cold, because what ends up happening is metal expands. Obviously, this will expand, and the pulley will have a hard time going in and out of there. Loosen more, loosen more. See if the pulley comes out. Doesn't want to come out easy. That's all right. Let's see if this one will do. Don't commit too much to one side or another. It's a very tight fitting pulley. That's just the way the clearances are. So you can see the difference. Here's a 3.2 inch pulley. 3.5. Not a ton of difference, but this will slow down the blower enough. I'm just gonna line up these holes. Okay, got the first bolt on there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the bolts drive the pulley back in. Now this is not the only way to control boost on a supercharger. This might have been the only way some time ago, long time ago, but you can use a boost controller, electronic boost controller, just like you would on a turbo. That's something that I hope to do in the future, and hopefully something I can share with you guys so we can all learn to be better boost freaks. So I've gotten it as close as I possibly could by hand. So I think the best thing I can do now is put the belt on so that this pulley doesn't move. Then I'll just tighten these in a star pattern so that the pulley can go in nice and easy. Everything's in. The last step is to adjust the tensioner to where you want it. So there is a notch on the OEM tensioner, and just an arrow pointing to that notch. What I try to do is I try to center it. I will show you guys what that looks like in the picture, because there's no way well, there is a way, but I'm not a very good photographer. The camera might not be able to pick it up with my talents. Kind of want it there. Now I'll do the reverse with this. I'll just drive this one up. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Maybe a little tighter. Okay, so there you have it. You do want to take a look around. I noticed that this pulley being bigger gets the belt much closer to the AC line. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to bend the AC line a little bit more so that they're not touching or anything like that. This is still a daily driver, so I would like to keep my AC the way it is. That's pretty much it. It is very cold outside, and let's see. It actually snowed today. I'm gonna say about an inch of snow, maybe 2. So I'm not gonna take a chance at driving this thing tonight, but I am curious how much boost it's making. So tomorrow, I'll go ahead and take a quick spin on it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick DIY. I'll follow it up with a quick pull tomorrow after hopefully weather warms up. Let me see. It's probably not gonna warm up, but tomorrow, what's tomorrow looking like? Tomorrow, warmer, cloudy. So I don't think I'll get traction, but at least I'll be able to see how much boost the blower is making. And less boost, hopefully we can just go ahead and crank the car up a little bit, get some more power. All right, thank you for watching. Again, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right over there, and come back for more. I'll be live this Friday, January 29th at 8 p.m. Go ahead and, put it in your calendar. I'll try to give a shout out on Instagram too. So if you want to just come over and hang out, ask some questions, see how the build is going. Hans is going to be joining us. I'm hoping Jose can join us. I'm not sure if I could tag him down yet. I will see if I can get one other guest in, but who knows? If not, it might just be me shooting the shit with you guys. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys coming along and following along with my build. There. £16.